These avant-garde t-shirts by Viktor and Rolf are the inspiration for this upcycle. So we're headed to the Dollar Tree. We're going to check the plus section for some t-shirts. I found this really cute Scooby-Doo and the Gang t-shirt, as well as this Disney Villains t-shirt. I really feel like I can do something goth or steampunk with this shirt. This is really cute. And these t-shirts are $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. And I noticed there's just some select stores have the Dollar Tree Plus section. So, because I looked for some other t-shirts and I couldn't find any. But I did find the sizes here. This is a Betty Boop. So we're going to do something really cute with this Betty Boop shirt. So I will meet you guys in my sewing room after the intro. So let's get started with the Disney Villain t-shirt. So I got this shirt in a large. I was looking for an extra large, but all they had was small, medium, and large. So we're just going to go with the large. We're going to be adding trim to the sleeve and to the bottom hem of the shirt. Now you can add any type of sheer fabric or tulle or lace or ribbon or any type of trim that you can sheer up to create this avant-garde look. So just pick some type of theme and then just go with that. So I'm going to be using trim from some thrifted tulle. Also, I found this lace dress that I thrifted, and I also thrifted like a bolt of fabric that I have, I don't know, many yards of. So I'm going to use it for the trim. First, you want to mark through areas that you want to apply the trim, and I want mine about 9 or 10 inches above the hem. So I am just going to draw a straight line with a ruler and some tailor's chalk. Now keep in mind, you can put your tulle or trims any place that you want. Be as creative as you want to be. So the next thing we're going to do is start gathering your tulle. Measure the circumference of your t-shirt and then gather twice as much tulle. On this design, I'm going to use tulle as well as this sheer fabric that I have. I really wanted a lot of gathers on this layer, so I made this 3 times longer than the circumference of the t-shirt. I pinned this on in 4 sections and notched out the fabric so that I can gather the fabric in between the notched areas. Sewing the gathers in between the notched areas will help the layer fit on a lot better. Once you have your areas notched, then you're going to go to the machine and put in your gathers. Then you're going to pin your gathered layer on and make sure it's evenly distributed so that it goes on nice and smooth. My next t-shirt is a Betty Boop. This is so cute. So I'm definitely going to use some type of red trim. I'm thinking some ribbon and definitely some tulle. I've been collecting tulle from the thrift store. Every time I see a bit of it, I just buy it. So I have some red tulle that I found from the thrift store, and I am going to gather up all that I have and try to come up with some designs. I don't have a lot of this, but I'm going to just be creative and come up with something really cute. I also have some blanket binding remnants that I found at the thrift store, so I have just enough to put on this t-shirt. So I am going to mark this in a diagonal pattern and then add the trim along with my tulle. This next one is Scooby-Doo and the Gang. This is my favorite. This is so cute. I just love Scooby-Doo. And I love the colors on the graphics. It's very vibrant and really cute. And I can't believe I found this skirt at the thrift store. So this is an adult size tutu. When I first saw it, I thought it was a kid's tutu, but I went over there and I'm like, oh my God, it's an adult. This is perfect. So I will have plenty of this tulle to create something really, really cute. So when I brought it home, I threw it in the wash. It washed it really well, came out really nice and soft and perfect. So all I have to do now is separate the layers. So one layer I'm going to use to add voluminous sleeves to the shirt. And then the other layer I'm going to use to add the volume to the bottom of the shirt. This color is just absolutely perfect. It really makes this shirt pop and really makes it really flowy and has that avant-garde feel. So now I'm going to pin some layers onto the sleeves and also to the bottom of the shirt. And then I'm going to sew everything on. And we're going to do a fashion show and show you all 3 shirts. So just keep watching and stay tuned.
Like a car